What are you gonna do with those two balls? Can I have them? Can Mama have the balls? No, you want the balls? Greedy. You're so greedy. There's one. Hey, Sayan, what about the other one? About the other one? Here it is. Hey, Sayan, here it is. How about this one? Sayan. Paano na? We have two balls. You want this one also? No? What? Oh, where's the other one? Allah. Allah. Sayan got the ball. What? What do you want? Oh, there's two of them. Again. What does my baby want? Cannot decide. Hala, paano na? Paano na? Dalawa na yung ball. What? What do you want? Sayan has the balls. But she doesn't have balls. You cannot put both in your mouth. Ano na? Ay, sus. Katakaw kasi. Kailangan dalawa. Sige, you keep them both. You're a good girl. Sige na, isa. Dalawa. They're with you. They're not with me anymore. Ano po? Ano po? Okay. Good girl.